we've got something in the works for this thing next week. Stick around for next week's video, see what's going on with it. Supervisors are in the house, all cuddled up there. It was 78 yesterday. It is currently 26 and feels like 16 outside with a northerly wind. It sucks. So, had a couple of comments. This is the 21 Rocket that only got raced 3 times this year after it was completely gone through last winter. So we're going to put a new body on it, and it's ready to rock. The 25 Rocket is sold. Daryn put a new body on it. It's ready to go down the road. Somebody asked why we weren't working on cars. Well, we really don't have one. We're waiting on our 26 Rocket to be built at Rocket so we can go pick it up. Once that happens, we'll be rocking and rolling on cars. But in the meantime, we're getting our to-do list done on the hauler, which is what we're working on tonight. And it's Monday night, December 29th. Year's almost over. Now this side's about done in one night. I just got to go along the middle strip there about 2 foot all the way down. And Doug's working on the door. It's getting there. And then that's next. That'll leave a mark. You got your truck? Well, good morning. It's Saturday the 3rd. We're out here. It's about 10:30. Me and Hudson just got here. Doug's here sprucing up the lift gate. Getting all the rust off of it and giving her a fresh coat. The carbon monoxide detector debacle is still going on. Yesterday morning I got here about 9 o'clock, coming here to get something, and it was going off and realized the heater was on in this thing. It was blowing fumes out because it was set to 50 and not turned off. These heaters get set to 45 when we leave at night, so we thought that may be why it was going off in the morning when we got here, but not why we were here. Doug said it was going off this morning when he got here, so that theory's out the window. Winter cleanup in full effect. That looks a lot better. Ricky put down his rattle can, and paintbrush Pete is in full effect. He's getting her all spiffed up. This is what we do in the winter. Hudson's having a big time. I've been polishing up the ladder and the end cap. Hudson's excited because there's race cars on. We've got the Tulsa shootout on. Passed away here. Doug's already got the bottom of the door done. It's drying. He'll put a second coat on it. That looks 100 times better. Tyler's going to come sometime in the next week or two and do this floor. So we got to get all the stuff out of the bottom cabinets. That cleaned out. He's going to strip it and seal it. He did the last S&S trailer we had, and it looked phenomenal. Stayed phenomenal. Real easy to clean. What you talking about, Willis?
Yeah, I mean, like I said,
what?
I've been coming down here a long time.
Okay.
And, you know, of course, I've always dreamed of.
I got these wheels done. They look much better with a high gloss. Put into work now, saves us time in the summer. You can just wipe it off and it stays looking good. cleaning the compartment up.
They had something there too. They had 2 hooks down low.
Did you break it?
They had 2.
Did you break it?
I got it.
You got it? Good job, buddy. Max will be mad you break his motorcycle.
Dunker.
Got the compartments cleaned out. Ready to strip and seal. Get shootout on. All these are cleaned out. This is not fun to take in and out, so we're going to wait till he gets here to do that. Just make sure he gets here and does it here and not at Daryn's house. But this compartment's got to be vacuumed out, but everything's out of it. Making progress. This floor will look good once he gets done with it. Did you break it? You got it? We got a field trip planned with this thing next Friday. I think it's something in the works with it. Stick around next week for the video of that. Be out next weekend, I'm sure. We slid the slide out and looked underneath it. The screws that bring it in and out look great. We figured they'd be all gummed up with dirt and gunk, but they're greased and clean, so that's good. Ricky's in his prime.
I know it's a waste of time, but I'm still scratching.
What's he doing, Hudson?
I'm honestly thinking I should.
Well, we're calling it a day. Not much got done this week with it being New Year's this week, holiday week. Hope everybody had a good New Year's. We'll be back at it this coming week. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. And if you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race card in the lower right-hand corner. Tell them bye. Can you say bye?